Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. Today I will tell you about my weekend routine. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen and understand easily. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's begin. On the weekend, my life feels calm and relaxed. On Saturday morning, I usually wake up later than on weekdays. I wake up at 8 o'clock. I stay in bed for a few minutes and stretch my body slowly. I feel happy because I do not have to go to work. Then I get out of bed and walk to the kitchen. I make a warm cup of tea. The tea smells nice and makes me feel comfortable. After that, I eat a simple breakfast. I usually eat bread, butter, and sometimes fruit. I sit at the table and eat slowly. I enjoy the quiet morning and feel relaxed. After breakfast, I start cleaning my home. I like my home to be clean and tidy. First, I wash the dishes in the sink. I use warm water and soap. I dry the dishes and put them back in the cupboard. Then I sweep the floor in the living room and the kitchen. I also clean the table and the shelves. After that, I water the plants near the window. The green leaves look fresh and beautiful. When my home is clean, I feel good and peaceful. In the late morning, I often go shopping. I take my shopping bag and leave my home. I walk to the supermarket because it is not very far. On the way, I see people walking and cars passing by. Inside the supermarket, I walk slowly and look at the shelves. I buy bread, fruit, and vegetables. Sometimes I also buy rice, milk, or small snacks. When I finish shopping, I go to the counter and pay. I carry my bags and walk back home carefully. In the afternoon, I enjoy my free time. Sometimes I meet my friends. We go to a small cafe together. We sit at a table and order coffee or tea. We talk about our week, our work, and our plans. We laugh and feel happy together. Sometimes we go to the park instead. We walk slowly on the path, enjoy the fresh air, and feel the warm sunlight on our faces. These moments make me feel relaxed and free. In the evening, I like to cook something nice at home. Cooking on the weekend feels fun and creative. I turn on some soft music and start cooking. Sometimes I make pasta, sometimes soup, and sometimes rice with vegetables. I cut the vegetables carefully and cook slowly. The food smells very good. When dinner is ready, I sit at the table and enjoy my meal. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and then relax. I watch a movie or a TV series. I sit on the sofa and enjoy the quiet time at home. On Sunday morning, I wake up feeling fresh and calm. I do not hurry. I make another cup of tea and sit by the window. I open a book and read slowly. I enjoy every page and imagine the story in my mind. Sometimes I listen to soft music while reading. The music makes me feel peaceful and happy. The morning passes slowly and comfortably. At noon, I visit my parents. I go to their home and spend time with them. We eat lunch together and enjoy delicious food. We talk about our week and share small stories. We laugh, smile, and feel close to each other. Spending time with my family makes me feel loved and warm inside. In the afternoon, I prepare for the new week. I wash my clothes and hang them to dry. When they are dry, I fold them neatly and put them away. I check my bag for work and make sure everything is ready. I also write a short list of things to do on Monday. This helps me feel organized and calm. On Sunday evening, I like to rest early. I take a warm shower and change into my pajamas. I sit on my bed and read a few pages of my book. At 10 o'clock, I turn off the light and lie down. I feel tired but happy. I close my eyes and go to sleep with a smile on my face. This is my weekend routine. It is simple, calm, and relaxing. What about you? What do you do on the weekend? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English.